Hello everyone, welcome to HandsOn IT. In the last video, we learned about Linux architecture. Today, we will learn the Linux file system in a very simple way. If you understand this topic, Linux will be much easier for you. What is a file system? A file system is how the computer stores and organizes files. In Linux, everything is treated like a file. Even devices and system data are treated like files. Using ls // command, you can see. This slash is called the root directory. Everything in Linux starts from here. Linux file system works like a tree. At the top is slash, and inside it we have many folders. In this diagram, you can see all the folders inside slash. Linux does not use C drive or D drive like Windows. Everything is inside this one structure. We will going to discuss important folders under slash home. This is where users keep their personal files. You can check using ls /home /etc. This folder stores system settings and configuration files. You can check using ls /etc. Next folder. This folder stores logs and data that change often. Example Nginx, Apache, MySQL logs. All the logs and data stores here. You can check using ls /var log. And next /bin and user bin. These folders contain important Linux command. Using ls/bin, you can check there. Next /tmp. This folder stores temporary files. In Linux, everything is a file. Even hardware devices are files. In /dev, hard disk, USB devices, everything appears here as a files. Why this is important? In real jobs, Linux admins use this structure to find files, logs and fix issues. If you know the file system, Linux becomes easy. Today we learned what is file system, root directory, important folders, and everything is a file. In the next video, we will learn basic Linux commands. Subscribe to HandsOn IT and learn IT the real world way.